If you're looking for the freedom to cut, grind, or polish without dragging around extension cords, a cordless angle grinder is one of the most versatile tools you can own. In this video, we'll break down 5 of the best cordless angle grinders on Amazon that combine power, battery efficiency, and advanced safety features to tackle a wide range of tasks. Let's begin with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2 886 25-inch flathead angle grinder, one of the most powerful cordless models on the market. It delivers 11 amp corded equivalent performance and features a flat head design, making it especially useful for tight corners or confined workspaces. The 8,500 RPM brushless motor provides plenty of cutting and grinding force, and Milwaukee's RedLink Plus electronics optimize battery usage and prevent overheating. One of the standout features is the rapid stop brake, which halts the disc within 2 seconds of trigger release, adding a serious layer of safety. If you're in construction, fabrication, or maintenance and need a grinder that rivals corded models in torque and runtime, this Milwaukee model is a no-brainer. Next is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2880 204.5-inch/5-inch angle grinder, a slightly more compact option but still packed with performance. It shares the same brushless motor and safety features as the 2886, but comes in a traditional configuration with a paddle switch and tool-free guard adjustment. It's perfect for those who need a workhorse grinder for everyday cutting and surface preparation tasks. With a slim profile and ergonomic design, it's easy to handle for long periods. And being part of the M18 system means it's compatible with a wide range of batteries and accessories. Whether you're grinding welds, cutting rebar, or tackling tile, this grinder offers excellent balance between size, power, and price. For users who prioritize safety and reliability, the DeWalt DCG 413B 20V Max XR 4.5-inch angle grinder is a top choice. It features a brushless motor for extended runtime and durability, and is equipped with an electronic brake that stops the wheel within 2 seconds. Even more importantly, it includes DeWalt's kickback brake system, which automatically shuts down the tool if a pinch or stall is detected. This is crucial for preventing injury when the disc binds mid-cut. The grinder also features a 2-position side handle, a tool-free guard, and an E-switch protection system that prevents accidental restarts. For workshop safety and all-day reliability, the DCG 413B is one of the most trusted names in the game. Another impressive option is the Makita XAG 04Z 18V LXT brushless 4.5-inch 5-inch grinder, which brings some smart technology into the mix. It's equipped with automatic speed change and active feedback sensing technology AFT. That means it adjusts torque and speed based on the workload and automatically shuts off if rotation is suddenly forced to stop, protecting both the user and the tool. The build quality is what you'd expect from Makita: sturdy, lightweight, and refined. If you're already invested in Makita's 18V LXT ecosystem, this grinder makes an excellent addition to your toolkit. It's especially well suited for contractors, electricians, and plumbers working in environments where speed control and safety are critical. Rounding out the list is the Bosch GWS 4518V cordless 4.5-inch grinder, a fast-spinning model designed for speed and efficiency. It delivers 10,000 RPM from a compact frame and features Bosch's electronic cell protection to prevent battery damage from overload and overheating. While it doesn't have as many high-tech features as some of the others, it makes up for that with excellent ergonomics, smooth operation, and long battery life. It's especially appreciated by users who need a lightweight yet powerful grinder for short, precise cuts and fast grinding sessions. Thanks for watching. For more tool reviews, side-by-side comparisons, and buying guides tailored to real-world performance, make sure to subscribe and stay updated on our latest uploads.